Motorola is back once again to shake up the flagship smartphone market with the all-new Motorola X70 Air, a device designed to deliver next-level performance, ultra-slim design, and premium features, all in a surprisingly lightweight body. The Air branding isn't just a name, it's a statement. This phone combines flagship-grade power with a featherlight build, making it one of the sleekest and most stylish flagships of 2025. Let's start with the design. The Motorola X70 Air continues the brand's tradition of blending modern aesthetics with premium materials. Expect a razor-thin body crafted with air-grade aluminum and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, giving it both strength and elegance. At under 7 mm thickness, and weighing just around 170 grams, the X70 Air lives up to its name, slim, light, and easy to carry, yet still feeling solid and premium in the hand. Motorola also adds an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, making it durable enough for everyday challenges. Now, onto the display, one of the biggest highlights of this phone. The Motorola X70 Air is expected to feature a 6.7-inch LTPO 2K Plus AMOLED panel with a silky smooth 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and peak brightness reaching up to 4,500 nits. This means whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply scrolling, you'll experience vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible outdoor visibility. It's a display designed to impress both casual users and content creators. Powering this beauty is the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, delivering flagship-grade performance and efficiency. Built on the 3nm process, it offers lightning-fast speeds, smoother multitasking, and improved AI features. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, the X70 Air ensures you'll never run out of space or speed, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or handling multiple apps at once. Moving on to the cameras, Motorola has really stepped up its game. The X70 Air is expected to sport a triple camera setup, headlined by a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide lens with macro capabilities, and a 64MP telephoto periscope camera offering up to 5x optical zoom. On the front, a 32MP punch-hole selfie camera will handle selfies, vlogs, and video calls with sharp clarity. Motorola is also introducing enhanced AI camera modes, improved night photography, and 8K video recording for creators who want pro-level results. When it comes to battery and charging, the Motorola X70 Air balances slim design with endurance. It packs a 5,000 mAh battery, optimized with AI-based power management for all-day use. Charging is equally impressive, with 125W turbo power fast charging and 50W wireless charging. You can go from 0% to 100% in minutes. Reverse wireless charging is also included, so you can power up your accessories or even help out a friend's phone. On the software side, the X70 Air runs on Android 15 with Motorola's Clean My UX skin. This means a near-stock Android experience with useful Motorola features like gesture shortcuts, ready for desktop mode, and AI optimizations for both performance and camera. Plus, Motorola is promising extended software support, making the X70 Air future-ready. Special features include Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and enhanced haptics for a smoother overall experience. The X70 Air is also expected to come in multiple stunning colors, including frosted white, midnight black, and air blue, giving you plenty of style options. The Motorola X70 Air is expected to launch globally in late 2025, starting first in the US and Europe, followed by Asia and other international markets. As for pricing, Motorola is likely to keep it competitive compared to Samsung and iPhone flagships, with an expected price tag around $799 to $899, depending on the configuration. The Motorola X70 Air isn't just another flagship, it's a statement device that blends power, performance, and portability like no other. With its lightweight design, stunning display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 power, advanced cameras, and ultra-fast charging, it's set to be one of the most exciting smartphones of 2025. Whether you're a gamer, creator, or just someone who loves slim yet powerful phones, the X70 Air checks all the boxes.